Guys, after adding your GitHub in this section, in this extension, if you guys want that your GitHub profile looks like this and it and reflects your all the comments and contributions on your GitHub, for like recruiters can get help with this. Okay, so to show your activities on the GitHub, you have to push your code on the daily basis. For example, if here I can change anything, for example, I say added a comment for better use. So I make some changes in my code and it is here available so that I can push it on my LinkedIn profile, and after seeing changes it would push my changes to GitHub, and you guys can check the graph is visible here. You guys can also check all your comments from here. Okay, so after adding, how you guys can check all these comments on your GitHub, it's very easy like this. Make any changes in the code and in the changes add some message and then push it on your GitHub. So like your GitHub profile would also get some this type of contributions, like on the daily basis you guys can comment and your GitHub would look like this. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.